Hello Vivekians, welcome to the School from Home. I hope you all are safe at your homes. Today is the fourth day of chapter 2, which is Double Muddle. Today your Neha ma'am will teach you English. After reading the chapter, we have got to know that the story is about two identical twins, Vasu and Prabhu. So let's proceed with the exercises. Students, today we will learn about the sounds of Y. Do you know what are these? These are vowels A, E, I, O, U. Kids, do you know there is one more letter which makes sounds of vowels? And the letter is Y. Yes, Y makes the sound of vowels sometimes. Letter Y doesn't have its own sound, but it makes the sound of I sometimes. For example, try and cry. Y also makes the sound of E sometimes. For example, happy, party and many. So kids, now we are going to play a sound game. In this game, I will speak out some words and you have to tell me whether Y is making the sound of E or I. So the first word is sky. So tell me the answer. Very good. Sky is making the sound of I. Next word is baby. So tell me, in which column will it come? It makes the sound of E. Next word is shy. Tell me, in which column will it come? Yes, very good. It will come in the column of I. And the last word is sorry. So it will come in the column of E. Sorry. Through this activity, we have got to know about the sounds of Y. Now students, in the same way we have to do let's try 4. So first of all write down today's date. Some words are given in this green box. We have to read aloud these words and listen to the sound that Y makes and write them in the correct box. Students, you have to do it on your own. In the same way, you have to do let's try 5 also. You have to read out these sentences and choose the correct answer. First is, there was no rain. The land was dry. B part is, I have not eaten. I am hungry. In the same way, you have to complete this exercise also. Kids, you have to do my turn 1 and my turn 2 in your practice books also. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to your pattern. We will meet soon. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.